So let's go ahead and get started. So welcome to our first trimester awards assembly. A little different this year, definitely, but nonetheless, Miss G, if you could turn your mic off, please. Oh wait. Miss G, if you could turn your Miss G. I think that's Miss G. I can't see everybody. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started. So welcome to our first trimester awards assembly. We are going to start off with our TK and K awards. They're all together. We are going to start off with all of Miss Martinez's awards. And yes, Miss Martinez, because she's TK. So for brilliant bees, abejas brillantes, meets or exceeds the standards for TK. A brilliant bee in language arts is Delilah Palma and Chloe Sorensen. For brilliant bees in math, and boys and girls, you could do your yeah, but just with your mic off. So you could cheer, but just don't turn your mic on. For brilliant bees in math, we have Delilah Palma, Chloe Sorensen, Melina Perez, Natalie De Arcos, Johnny Guillen Funes, Gianna Ramirez Hernandez, Penelope Bishop, Alfonso Romero. For our awesome ants, Hormigas Increíbles, meets standards for TK. Awesome ants in language arts, Alfredo Herrera, Alfonso Romero, Isaac Medina, Johnny Guillen Funes, Penelope Bishop, Juan Reese. Yeah. For our awesome ants in math, Alfredo Herrera, Isaac Medina, Juan Reese, Julius Doris. For our learning ladybugs, Catrinas Aprendidoras, making progress towards meeting standards, we have for language arts, Joel Castaneda, Gianna Ramirez Hernandez, Julius Doris, Victoria Villa, Melina Perez, Natalie De Arcos, Mackenzie Hewitt Reyes. Our learning ladybugs in math, Joel Castaneda, Victoria Villa, Mackenzie Hewitt Reyes. Let's give our TKs a big yeah, but keep your mics off. Yeah, all right. Woo, I see Miss Kate celebrating. Great job. Look at all of you. Great job. And now for our kindergarten. Our terrific turtles, Tortugas Esponedas. Conce más de 10 números, cuenta hasta 30, sabe más de 10 sonidos y más de 10 palabras a la vista. So basically, you know more than 10 numbers, you can count to 30, you know more than 10 sounds, and more than 10 words, sight words. For students at and exceeding grade level standards, Emma Cornejo, Yessi Pineda, Benjamin Marquez, Ana Marie Banuelos, Adrian Luna, Eli Torres, Angelo Bendana, Justin Nico, David Ochoa, Sakura Lamecha, Vidal Ramirez. Yeah, great job. For our fabulous fish, peces fabulosos, conoce 8 o más números, cuenta hasta 20, sabe más de 8 sonidos y más de 8 palabras a la vista. Cumple or exceed los estándares. And actually, these ones are the ones who are meeting, not exceeding, but meeting all of our grade level standards. They know 8 or more numbers. They can count to 20. They know 8 sounds or more, and they know at least 8 sight words. So very good for meeting standards. We have Aurora Vargas, Daphne Gonzalez, Diego Diaz, Isabella Vargas, Joel Gomez Govia, Josiah Kenny, Andres Orozco, Olivia Orona, Jeremiah Butuin, my apologies, Madison Hewitt, Sophia Lobbins, Lorelei Gravitt, Isaac Garcia Alvarado, Evelyn Gutierrez, and Joshua Huerta Dueñas. Great job. Woo! For our super seals, super facos, sigue trabajando con esfuerzos. They are working towards standards. Adrian Avia, Aiden Rodriguez, Angel Vasquez, Annabelle Enriquez, Astrid Gonzalez, Atruyu Sanchez, Axel Lopez, Bailey Ramirez, Daniel Roman, David Gonzalez, Dylan Funes, Ethan Carrillo, Lucy Hernandez, Michaela Perez, Marcos Luna, Regina Arias, Ronaldo Rojas, Jonathan Heitman, Mia Garcia, Joel Velis, Anthony Labrie, Mason King, Ethan Sanchez, and Ethan Sanchez. Let's give them all a big round of applause. Woo! Boys and girls, those were all of our awards for our TK and K students. This is your first awards assembly for many of you, except those of you who were in TK last year. Did you have fun? Let me see with a wave of hands. It was a little crazy getting on the links, but woo! And I saw Miss Kate. She was doing this the whole time. Woo! So thank you. I can't thank all of you enough. Starting with the teachers, thank you. I know that everyone will share the same sentiments. Thank you for your hard work, your dedication, the hours you're putting in. You have no idea what it's like behind the scenes. So thank you. Parents, thank you. This is not possible at all at a different level this year than any other year before without your help. Family members, thank you to the grandpas, the grandmas, the aunts, the uncles, older siblings. Thank you, because this takes a team effort. Thank you to all our staff, and boys and girls, thank you. Thank you so much. You are our inspiration. You show that you get up, you're online, you're learning. We know we can do it. So thank you, because you are the reason we do what we do. And I wasn't going to do this. And thank you, Mr. Pineda. Teachers rock, no doubt about it. So boys and girls, on the count of 3, I'm going to let you do this. I was a little hesitant, but you know what, teachers? I'm going to let them do it. What we do every year for our trimester awards, at the end, it's kind of tradition, we say thank you to our parents, to our teachers, to our family members, to all the hardworking instructional aides that are in the classroom. You could even say thank you so loud that Miss Letty in the office hears you. Thank you. A special thank you to Miss Mata as well for putting together a great presentation. And boys and girls, guess what? You're going to get your certificates in the mail. Do you know what the mail is? Do you know what the mail is? Not email, not email. You're going to get it in the mail. So when the mailman comes, or mailman woman, you are going to look, letter carrier, you're going to look for that in the mail, and we're mailing home your certificate. Parents, take a picture with them with their certificate and send it in because we want to make sure we post it. So teachers will be letting you know to send those in as well. But boys and girls, we're going to, on the count of 3, which means 1, 2, 3, hold on. We're going to say thank you really loud. So parents and teachers, you might want to cover your ears, but are you ready? 1, you could take your mic off for this, okay? 1, 2, 3. I heard lots of 1, 2s, and 3s. I heard a lot of thank you. Bye-bye. Jerry, you follow your
Thank you. Thank you.